by 8 feet depth and 8 feet high walk-in cooler box. Included are your keys, pair of keys for the main door handle, emergency release key, and a bag of hardware with instructions. This walk-in cooler box will not include any flooring. So included will be these braces. Each brace, shown here, must first be drilled into the concrete cement. That way it can hold 1 or 2 panels. Okay, so first and foremost, drill down to the floor before you can connect 1 or 2 panels together. You'll see underneath there will leave a gap. So with backing and caulk filler, that's best. Coming over here, you will see this walk-in is protected by a film. All you have to do is peel off and it'll be ready to use, showing the external walk-in cooler skin. Same goes for the inside. Film is protected on the outside and inside and can be peeled off. When installing this walk-in box, when finished, it's recommended that you use silicone or gap filler for the edges. That way there's no vibration. So silicone or gap filler, as well as mounting braces for each corner, is recommended for more stability. Now for the inside, let me give you the dimensions. For the depth, we have at least 88.5 inches. Length, at least 65 inches. Last but not least, the height. You'll see here the measurement before the gap, we have at least 87.5 inches. Again, hardware will be included, including the manual for installation, as well as these fasteners to bolt on each wall panel. Last but not least, measurements for the front entry. We have at least 30.5 inches in length. For the height, we have at least 71 inches. So in review, this is the 6 by 8 by 8 walk-in cooler box. Included will be braces that must first be mounted and drilled down to the floor before you can connect 1 or 2 panels together. Film can be peeled off on the outside and the inside. And when finished, for extra security, it's best to add silicone and gap filler, as well as metal braces for each corner for more security. For additional questions, please give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, so we can better assist. Thank you.